welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jess, and for the past 7 weeks, I've been living on São Miguel Island in the Azores in Portugal. And I have been vlogging it all. So to check out those videos, head on to my channel. They are all there waiting to be viewed. Today we are headed out to visit 2 tea plantations on São Miguel Island. They're actually the only 2 tea plantations in all of Europe. At least that's what I've been told, so correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what we're gonna go with today. The first one we are at, I'm actually currently in the parking lot, I'm getting ready to go in, but the first one we're at is Gorreana. So right when you come in, you get a little insight of the process of how the tea is being made. See all of the machines behind me, and it's a nice little tour. It's self-guided and free. It actually smells so good in here. Cute little place. They have a little bar area where you can get drinks, snacks, and obviously you can purchase tea and tea products. At this tea plantation you can actually cross the street and there are the rows upon rows upon rows of tea leaves or tea plants, yeah. So you can cross the street and those are all tea plants. We were going to go in the fields, but it is starting to pour, so we're gonna head into the car. But I did walk those fields when I came here at the beginning of the trip, so I will leave the link to that video down below and you can check it out. So we are now at the second tea plantation, and this one is called Plantation Porto Formoso. It is located in Porto Formoso, which is not that far from the other tea factory, but this one is, or tea plantation, but this one is smaller, but it's a cute one. So these are all the tea plants. And they also go all the way up there. So it doesn't have as much as the other tea plantation. Just one room where you can watch a clip of how all the tea is harvested, and that is about it. You can enjoy some tea up there, which we will go to next. So just in there was a little cafe where you could order some tea and enjoy it. And I've actually been told that they do have, I keep forgetting to take this off. They do have tours, but because of COVID, they're not doing the tours here. So you can either have some tea in that little area that I showed you, or you can pick a seat right behind me and enjoy the view. Wait, the view. It's cloudy and raining today, so the view's not that good, but just imagine it being clear and you're here sipping your tea. Good times. So I am an iced tea type of gal, so I ordered their iced tea. See how it tastes? Oh my god, it's starting to thunder. So let's give it a taste. Oh, it's good. It's good. As an iced tea connoisseur, 10 out of 10 would highly recommend getting the iced tea here. The other teas, I'm sure they're just as good, so if you're a warm tea drinker, give it a go. That is the end of our tea plantation tour. We have seen both of them. I highly recommend visiting both of them, even though one is bigger than the other and one has a little more stuff than the other, but they are both worth the visit, and also to try some tea at both of them. Oh my god, can you hear the thunder? It's starting to thunder. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave some love in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias and check out my travel blog. All my links will be down below, and click that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.